Hey guys, it's Gary from DIY Electronics. Today, what I got for you is, everybody should notice one of these because I'm talking about Blink. This is the Blink Sync module, okay? And then on the side of it, it has your USB thumb drive, okay? That's where all your local clips get stored to if you don't have a subscription plan, which I recommend to everybody. Don't get a subscription plan for Blink because you can store it right here on a thumb drive. You don't have to store it in the cloud, it's right here. But anyways, the problem I was having today is, well, it's been a while. It's been 10 days and I'm scratching my head, and I finally, today I had some time to take a look, and I've got a Cruiser Glide thumb drive, 32 gig, that I had in there, and I noticed on the app, I'm not going to show you guys the app, you guys can figure it out, you got Blink, on the clips on February 5th, that's the last time that anything went on to the Cruiser Glide. So I took it out of the sync module, put it in my computer, and it did. All of the video right there stopped on February 5th. Now what I did is I said, well, maybe something's going on with the format on this. I tried to format it and it said it was write protected. And on these Cruiser Glides, there's no switch or anything for write protection. So I started cruising the internet and it says, oh, do this, go to the start menu and then type in disk regit, turn the computer on, turn it back on. That will unlock this. Guys, skip all the bullshit crap. SanDisk has had a lawsuit about the Cruiser Glide thumb drives going into write protection mode and you can't get it out. So save yourself a lot of trouble. Just get another thumb drive, pop it into your sync module, and your cameras will begin to store itself back locally again. So again, on these, if you have a Blink sync module and you're using the Cruiser Glide, or basically anything by SanDisk in that, it's going to go into write protection and it's going to stop recording video. So save all the headaches. Don't believe all these other guys saying, oh yes, because your subscription plan doesn't sync right and this and this and this. Bullshit. The thing you want to do is replace your thumb drive in your sync module. You're going to have a happy day. Alright guys, that's all I got for you. So again, change your thumb drive if your Blink module stops recording. Thanks.